Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a video. Today I'm going to be doing a line of sight flight with this quad. But what's special about this flight, besides these props, talk about in a second, is I'm going to be recording some stick cam, since a lot of you guys have been requesting that recently, and I haven't done any stick cam since my line of sight tutorials about a year ago. So the quad itself is a Mode 2 Ghost. The motors are Brother Hobby R6 2207 1750 kV. The props are somewhat special. These are the brand new Gemfan 5146.6, the Kebab or Minchan Kim props. Thought they'd be a decent try on here. The battery is a Pyrodrone 6S 1250. The ESC is an Acon AK32 4-in-1. Flight controllers, White Noise FB Synergy, the TBS V3, Crossfire Nano on top, a Micro Predator version 3, and a Lumineer Axie. And then of course we just have the Tyrannus with Crossfire in it.
Welcome to OpenTX.
So let's get everything plugged up right here. Alright, got the quad turned on, GoPro running. Hopefully I'm running without a neck strap, but hopefully my sticks show up. So get the quad out here. Just walk out a little bit. Just get a feel for these props. Check to make sure my radio's in a good spot. Yeah, the props so far are pretty much what I was expecting. Sort of similar to the Dow 5051C. Pretty thin prop, but they are still 5.1 inch, and they do have an aggressive pitch. But overall, they're a thin prop. So they should be very crisp and controllable with good punch, but overall not be the most powerful, say compared to like the Gemfan 5149.9. That's a very meaty prop, produces a lot of power. So let's do some full speed passes. So yeah, pretty fast, but definitely slower than other similar props. Yeah, definitely slower. Maybe like only 95 versus like 120. Those are just random numbers, of course. Could be anything. I can see why Kebab and Minchan Kim would like these props though. Very precise. Very smooth. Wouldn't be my choice for a racing prop, but I mean Minchan's basically the best racer in the world, so I can't talk there. As long as the durability's fine. Perfectly fine. Let's try to do a funnel. Of course the wind starts. Terrible funnel. Definitely like the colors, of course. Blue and pink, best line of sight prop combo. Man, this build though. Whoa! Tap the ground there. You got touch and goes with planes, but do you touch and goes with quads at 8 miles an hour? With the battery? I don't think so. That could have been bad. Well, and I guess it was bad. Must have got water in it. quad just rebooted. Really need to waterproof this guy, but at least that was at the end of the flight. Alright, let's just pick it up. Should be no damage, just fell in the snow. A little bit wet. I've never broken anything directly from the water. Just like if it gets on the ESC or the FC chips, it'll just freak out like that. Set the radio down. Interesting to know, this prop here did bend that slightly down, so that was a decently high impact crash. But you know, these props obviously are very thin, so I would expect them to bend there at the hub, which is why I'd say it wouldn't be my choice for racing prop. I just don't think it's quite durable enough. But overall, I definitely do like the props. I think for freestyle, they would be a very good prop, which is what I think they're mainly meant for. Minchan and Kebab, I think they, assuming they were directly involved with the design and it's not just their name on it, but knowing Bob, he probably was giving them some tips. Definitely like the prop. I'll have to try them out on my freestyle quad. But yeah, that's going to bring it to the end for this line of sight video with the stick cam. Hopefully it came out alright. There'll be links down in the description below to this build. Just a heads up, I am coming out with a new racing frame soon with Tiny's LEDs, so that'll be very exciting. Should be quite a few improvements over the Ghost that I helped work on over a year ago. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.